Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel 21st. In front of me a Nokia T21, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So there are three aspects that can slow down your device. First aspect is storage, second aspect is memory, and third aspect harmful files and junk files. So firstly, you need to open settings and check how much space do you use. In my case, it's only 13%, but you need to know that if you will fill up your memory, your storage over than 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So do not to fill your memory, your storage over than 70%. Great. If you want to free up the space in your device, you just need to remove unused applications, remove cache from Telegram, from Viber, from WhatsApp, from other apps. You need to upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage or to the hard drive, to the pen drive, for example, because all media files consumes a lot of storage on your device. The second aspect is RAM. So here again the winner 100% device with more temporary storage. But if you want to clean the RAM, you need to click on the square button and just swipe up all applications from this menu. And third aspect is harmful and junk files. To remove it all, you need to open Files application, click Continue. Here you will see Clean button, and click Clean. Click Clear, and great, as you can see, I have freed up my space. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.